Neil deGrasse Tyson, the renowned astrophysicist and science communicator, has always had a knack for capturing the public's attention with fascinating insights about the cosmos. In a recent revelation, Tyson shared a significant and intriguing discovery that has sparked renewed interest in space exploration, particularly regarding Venus. He showcased newly declassified photos taken by Soviet missions to Venus during the height of the space race, providing a fresh perspective on our neighboring planet. These images offer a unique window into the history of space exploration, the challenges involved in studying Venus, and the importance of revisiting past data to gain new insights. Venus, often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition, has been an object of fascination for astronomers for centuries. However, the planet's extreme atmospheric conditions make it one of the most hostile environments in the solar system. With surface temperatures exceeding 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 475 degrees Celsius, and atmospheric pressure 90 times greater than that on Earth, sending spacecraft to Venus is a monumental challenge. These conditions are caused by a thick atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, which creates a runaway greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. The Soviet Union was the first to successfully land spacecraft on Venus, despite these challenges. Their Venera program, launched between 1961 and 1984, aimed to explore the planet's surface and gather data. Several of the Venera probes successfully transmitted images and data from the Venusian surface before being destroyed by the planet's harsh environment. The missions provided the first-ever close-up images of Venus, revealing a desolate, rocky landscape that is both alien and eerily familiar. The newly declassified images shared by Neil deGrasse Tyson are from these Venera missions. The Soviet Union, during the Cold War, was in a race with the United States to dominate space exploration. While the U.S. focused on the Moon and Mars, the Soviets turned their attention to Venus, launching several successful missions that yielded valuable data. Despite the importance of these missions, much of the information remained classified or underappreciated in the West, overshadowed by American achievements like the Apollo moon landings. However, recent declassification efforts have brought these remarkable photos and data to light. The Venera probes that captured these images were marvels of engineering, designed to withstand the extreme conditions on Venus for as long as possible. The spacecraft had to endure not only the intense heat and pressure, but also corrosive clouds of sulfuric acid in the planet's atmosphere. The Venera 9, 10, 13, and 14 missions were particularly successful, with each probe transmitting data and images for several minutes before succumbing to the planet's conditions. These short but valuable windows provided humanity with its first glimpse of the Venusian surface. The images revealed a barren landscape, strewn with rocks and devoid of any obvious signs of life. The terrain appeared flat in some areas and hilly in others, with a yellowish-orange sky caused by the thick atmosphere. The photos, though grainy by today's standards, are a testament to the resilience of the Venera missions and the ingenuity of Soviet scientists. One of the most striking features of the photos is the visibility of the probe itself in some of the shots, with parts of the spacecraft visible in the foreground. These images serve as a reminder of the incredible human achievement of landing a spacecraft on the surface of another planet. Neil deGrasse Tyson's decision to highlight these images comes at a time when interest in Venus is resurging. For years, Mars has been the primary focus of planetary exploration, with numerous missions launched to study its surface and search for signs of past life. However, Venus has recently re-entered the spotlight, with scientists proposing new missions to study its atmosphere and surface in greater detail. One of the key questions driving this renewed interest is the possibility that Venus may have once been more Earth-like, with liquid water and a more temperate climate. Recent studies suggest that Venus may have had oceans in its distant past, potentially making it a habitable planet billions of years ago. Understanding what caused Venus to undergo such drastic climate change could provide crucial insights into the future of Earth's climate. As Tyson has often pointed out, studying other planets helps us better understand our own, and Venus offers a stark warning about the dangers of unchecked greenhouse gas emissions. The more we learn about Venus, the better equipped we may be to address climate change on Earth. In addition to its scientific significance, Tyson's revelation of the declassified photos underscores the importance of preserving and revisiting historical space data. As technology advances, we are able to extract new information from old data, and re-examining the Venera missions with modern tools could yield new discoveries about Venus's surface and atmosphere. Furthermore, these photos serve as a reminder of the contributions made by the Soviet Union to space exploration, which are often overlooked in popular accounts of the space race. The release of these photos also coincides with plans for new missions to Venus. NASA and other space agencies have announced upcoming missions, including the Da Vinci Plus and Veritas missions, which aim to study Venus's atmosphere and surface in unprecedented detail. These missions will build on the legacy of the Venera program, using modern technology to address lingering questions about the planet's climate history and its potential for habitability. Neil deGrasse Tyson's revelation of these declassified images is not just a look back at the past. It is a call to action for the future. As he has often emphasized, space exploration is not just about visiting other planets but about understanding our place in the universe. The photos from Venus remind us of the immense challenges involved in exploring other worlds, but they also highlight the incredible achievements of those who have made it possible. In conclusion, the declassified photos from the Soviet Venera missions, brought to light by Neil deGrasse Tyson, offer a fascinating glimpse into Venus's inhospitable surface. These images, taken during one of the most challenging planetary exploration missions in history, showcase the ingenuity of Soviet scientists and the resilience of their spacecraft. They also serve as a reminder of the importance of revisiting historical data to extract new insights, as well as the need to continue exploring our neighboring planets. With new missions to Venus on the horizon, these photos mark a pivotal moment in the ongoing quest to understand the mysteries of our solar system. Through these efforts, we may not only learn more about Venus, but also gain a deeper understanding of Earth's future.